So I was browsing Amazon Prime, watching the Grand Tour, and then I found this old Formula One video, and turns out it's a crazy documentary, Quick and the Dead, Formula One racers dedicated to the men who died for the passion. And it turns out Jackie Stewart is touring us on Nordschleife in a Rolls-Royce Corniche, convertible Rolls-Royce. And the quality is just crazy for a 1974 movie. It's funny, he turned around and said, oh, probably engine damage. He saw it was a BMW 3.0s. Anyway, if you have Amazon Prime, go and watch this. It's a scary video how crazy Formula One was in 1974. So click down in the link description to find it on Amazon. That was my tip for today.